Gripset P17. This is a unique pavement resurfacer in our range. And the reason it's unique is that it's non-bitumen, it's water-based, solvent-free, but it's based on polyurethane technology. In the past, asphalt has always been a problem with resurfacing. There are a multiple of bitumen resurfacers that can be applied onto asphalt. However, the only limitation with those is that over time they oxidise, and so you don't retain the colour that you want, which is normally they want to retain a nice rich black colour. The P17 is a product that has a non-slip gradient already built into it. It is easily applied directly over the asphalt, and once it's applied, it retains its colour, so there is no fading or oxidising. But the other benefit of it is that being solvent-free, it still can resist fuels and a lot of the hazards that come from spillages that vehicles will put onto a pavement and won't break down. We've even had it tested to airport fuels and has successfully been applied with this kerosene, which is quite hazardous and quite aggressive on asphalt, breaking asphalt down. So from an environmental impact, by resurfacing asphalt with this type of product, you prolong the life of asphalt and you avoid asphalt going back into landfill, and so it can just keep being resurfaced every 7 to 10 years with this product, depending on how much traffic it has. Big advantage of this product as well is that we can make it in any colour. So we've had clients with councils along beach fronts where they wanted to resurface asphalt and they've wanted green, they wanted blues, yellows. We can tint whatever colour is required, and it really brings a life into a pavement surface back to a state that you can't normally do with an asphalt substrate. On concrete substrates, the P17 can be used. It's used with our P10 primer first, but it provides a non-slip, a hard-wearing surface that can take vehicles and also foot traffic, and it has very good resistance to weather. So we had a client that had used the P17 as an example of where it can be saving lots of money, not just for the client, but also to the environment and the landfill situation, where at a car park of a few thousand square metres, they were looking to remove all the asphalt, profile it and lay a new sheet of asphalt down, which would have taken a few days and a lot of waste that had to be removed from site. We inspected that surface. The condition of the asphalt allowed us to put the P17 directly over it. It was done in the same time that would be required to lay new asphalt. However, it gave them a look that they couldn't get with new asphalt because it was a retained look, and they also were able to colour parts of that car park, but a massive saving on having to remove debris and waste from that site back into landfill, and hence another example of how the Gripset systems have impacted positively on the environment and for the end user.